this video we will learn about the string like in Python, like we'll try to go as much detail as we can. So in Python, like you can for the string, like you can use either single quote or double quote, like let's say, or you can use double quote. I don't know. Here again, you can do either single quote or double quote. Try to stick with the one. I prefer the single quote, which is more quicker, like so yes, we just do name, and if we just print, you can see both. We can print out in here. Another thing, we can do concatenation in a string, like you can put two together, like let's say I just change. So as you can see, this is getting together, like to get rid of this, like you can do small thing, just put a single quote and put a gap there, but if you want to put a plus sign again over there to keep the space, like to the string. And do, let's say you want to write it, or which is a short form, like it is. So for when you're writing, you can do let's say, you can see now it's working. It's Mohammed. It is. So if you use double quote, you don't have to use the backslash. Sure, there. Use the double quote. You don't have to use backslash. So it's Mohammed. So it's your personal choice, like whichever you prefer, like they want to single quote and use the backslash, or the double quote, like and if you want to use the long greetings, like long message, like a couple of lines, like so in that case you just use the 3 code, like and then write it down. Showing the example, like and then there's the bottom, that's the 3 code. And if you want to print out long message and run the program, you can see. So if you want to use a long message, like you can use the multiple lines, like you can use the 3 and the triple quotes, like and a lot of times you need to formatting the string, like now if I run the program, that's where I'm going, then you can see here what is doing. The F strings allow you to simply and easily reference variables in your code, like so that F is referencing that variable, and that variables you are pointing in here with the parentheses, like so this F is pointing that variables. First the double quote, and then at the end use the single quote. That will show you the error, like just showing the syntax error, like you can see if you put it here, like the code analysis, which is showing the errors. So make sure the both, and it has to be either single or double quote. Another thing, you can see while you are doing, you want to concatenate it integers and string, which will not possible if you have to convert it. If you will convert it, if it's a string, you want to convert it to integer, so you need to put in front of a string the integer int. And if you are on the vice versa, if you want to put the integer to the string, so for integer value you need to put a string in front of it. So I'll show you with the example here. This is a type error. You see, you can only concatenate string, not int to string. So in that case, the my age is an integer value. So if you want to change to the string, you just simply put your string, which is a method. Now you can do it Mohammed 27. The vice versa, if you want to Mohammed 27. But let's say you want to, from string to int, you want to convert it to int. So just write it. So once it's converted, my age string to int, it's adding 54. So what we can do, just put the comma, and that will be 27 27. So here is the age 27, the integer value, and this is the string converted to the integer, which is 27. So this is the basic regarding the string in Python. There will be more details on the string in future videos, and so if you have any question, please do let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye. See you in the next video.